Hi, welcome to Laughing Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand don't care conditions in K-map. So to have better understanding of this concept, we will try to understand what are don't cares. So what are don't cares, that we will try to understand, and later we'll try to understand the concepts of the use of don't care conditions in K-map. Now coming to the understanding of don't cares, let's recap our concepts of BCD codes. The concept of binary coded decimal numbers has already been discussed in our previous videos in the section called number system. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the description and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now coming to this class, so BCD codes is another way to represent the binary numbers. In BCD code, if for example, if you take a binary number, if you take a decimal number, so 1, 2, 3, if you take this decimal number, how this decimal number can be represented by using the BCD codes is in BCD code representation, every decimal digit, every decimal symbol in the decimal number is represented by an unique code. So this 1 is represented as 0001, 2 is represented as 0010, and 3 is represented as 0011 in some of the BCD codes. So this entire number, so this entire bits are used to represent 1, 2, 3 in decimal. Okay. So now, so this is 8421 coding system. 8421 coding system. In this, the unique symbols, the symbols of the decimal numbers are uniquely represented. So these are the codes to represent the symbols of the decimal numbers, and these are the symbols of the decimal numbers. In order to represent the symbols of the decimal numbers, we need 4 bits. But with the 4-bit combinations, how many number of inputs are possible? With the 4-bit combinations, the number of inputs that are possible are 2 power 4, which is 16. But to represent the decimal numbers, we have only 10 unique symbols to represent the decimal digits. But what about these symbols? What about these symbols? So these symbols, so in order to represent the number of input combinations that are possible with 4 bits or 16, but we have used only 10 symbols. What about the remaining 6 symbols? These are the 6 symbols which are unused. So these symbols are what we call it as don't care symbols or don't care conditions. Okay, so these are the symbols which are unused by these BCD codes, and these 6 symbols are called as don't care conditions. Okay, so coming to the definitions of don't cares, let's try to understand each and every point. It often occurs that for certain input combinations, the value of output is unspecified, either because of input combinations are invalid or because the precise value of the output is of no consequence. So what it states is, there are some conditions, there are some situations which will occur oftenly, and in those situations, for certain input combinations, these are those certain input combinations. For those certain input combinations, the value of the output is unspecified. So do we have any output for this certain set of combinations? There are no outputs for this certain set of combinations. Okay, so value of the output is unspecified. This is because the input combinations are invalid, or because the precise value of the output is of no consequence. Okay, so it may be because the value of those inputs is invalid, or the output that we are going to get from these inputs is of no consequences. In those cases, we are going to get certain combination of inputs as don't cares. So those combinations are called as don't cares. Okay, so don't cares are denoted by symbols D, cross mark or pi. So these are the symbols that are used to represent the don't cares. So during the process of design, so what is the use of these don't cares? Can we use these don't cares in K-maps? So how those don't cares are useful in the K-maps, that we will try to understand. During the process of design using the SOP map, so if you try to design a circuit for an SOP circuit, some of the product Boolean expression, each don't care is treated as one if it is helpful in reducing the map. In order to reduce the map, if the don't cares are helpful, then those don't cares are used as one in SOP. Okay, if they are not helpful, otherwise it is treated as 0 and left alone. If they are not helpful in reduction, those symbols are left alone. So if they are treated as 0 and they are left alone. In the case of POS, if the circuit, if it is a product of some Boolean expression, if it is a Boolean product of some map, each don't care is treated as 0. So if the don't care is used, if the don't care is helpful in simplification, it can be used as 0. If it is not helpful for reduction, they are left alone. They are not considered for minimization. Okay, so this is very important. This point is very important to understand. We will try to understand this point by using this example. Here we are having a Boolean expression, and this is the SOP, sum of the products expression. So this is the expression given, and these are the don't care conditions. These 2 and 4 are the inputs which are of no consequence or which are of invalid inputs. So whatever may be the situation, it is given that these are the don't care conditions and these are the SOP. These are the min terms in the SOP. Okay. So now if you try to minimize this equation with the don't cares, how it happens, that we will try to understand. Here we are having 1, 5, 6, 12, 13, 14, and the don't cares are 2. So the don't cares are represented by this symbol. The symbols that are used, you can use any symbol. The don't care symbol is this one, and the other don't care is 4. So this is 4. Now what is the use of this don't care is, if there are some don't care conditions, and those don't care conditions, if those don't care conditions are helpful in minimization, use them. If they are not helpful, just leave them. Okay. Now without this don't care, we are not going to, it is not possible to generate a bigger square. But if you use this don't care, it can be used to construct a bigger subcube. Okay. And the other combination that is possible is, now this don't care is used as 1. Okay, and the other combination is this one, and the other one is this one. And with this don't care, we don't have any use. There is no need to create another subcube for this don't care. So this point is very, very important. So it is possible to create a subcube like this, but it is of no use. We are creating extra burden. So the simplification will not be minimal. So if the don't cares are not useful for simplification, just leave them alone. But this don't care is not useful for simplification, so this don't care has to be left alone. Now with the use of this don't care, we are going to simplify this expression. So what is the simplified expression for this? For this subcube, it is going to be the same variables are going to be b, and for this it is bc bar, and for this subcube, the second subcube, it is going to be b, it is d bar, and for this subcube, it is going to be a bar, C bar D. So the minimized expression for this K map by using the don't cares is going to be this this expression. It is B C bar plus B D bar plus A bar C bar D. But if you don't use the don't care, so are we going to get this level of minimal solution? No, we are not going to get. We will get the expression which is little bit bigger than this. So try this example without this don't care conditions. You are going to get the expression which is a bit bigger than this. It may have more number of terms and more number of literals in each and every term. So in this way, the don't cares can be used in the minimization in the K map. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding these concepts, please post your doubts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.